Peaceful and private. This lovely and warm home welcomes you in with its front porch and circle drive. Situated on just under 3 acres in Whitehouse, this 3-bedroom 2-bath home with a 2-car garage and a 2-car carport has much to offer. Open floor plan, stone fireplace, formal dining room, stainless appliances, granite countertops, and pantry are just some of the amenities. Wood and tile floors throughout. The split master bedroom with ensuite bath is complete with double sinks, separate shower and tub, and walk-in closet. The 2 guest rooms provide ample space for family or guests and share a full hall bath. There is also an office perfect for working from home. An added bonus is the sunroom, a wonderful flex space. Generous utility room with great storage. Outside, enjoy the large covered back porch with extended flagstone. 2 outbuildings are on the property, one is 30 by 40, the other is 10 by 20. Mancave and She Shed options. Plus a dog run too. All on city water and sewer. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.